Myself Manzar. I am from Gazipur, UP. Currently, I am residing in New Delhi. I have done BTech in Computer Science from Jaipur National University in the year of 2020. I got to know about the Vision Techno Lab Private Limited, Noida, which is helped me out to get a good opportunity in the IT sector. It helped me out to get a good package of MNC. It provided me the 100% job facility. The Evision Technolab and Evision team member are provide me 100% support and provide me the 100% training and the new technologies over the networking, CCNA, ITIL, Linux administration, Windows administration, and they provide me the soft skills development and also help me out the demo interview, mock interview. I got selected in the Progressive Infovision, which is one of the MNC of the package of 2.64 LPA. I am very glad to the Vision team and especially for the Sati ma'am for the coordination and my HR Anamika ma'am and the Priya ma'am which helped me out for the managing me coordinate with the team. They all the member and the faculty which very supportive and very polite, which help me out to go to know about and get me success in my career. And finally, I am thankful for the Vision team and the Imagine platform that it helped me out to get the good opportunity and in my career. That's all. Thank you. It's my pleasure and very thank you.